Day in a world where three people, Colin, Andrew, and Ethan, they were all happy until Ethan said, "Oh no, my tooth is gonna come out and stuff."
I don't wanna.
Now, his tooth is going to come out with the help of McQueen.
Okay, come here, Ethan.
And now, we are going to put the dental floss on. With the Lightning McQueen strapped to it. Oh yeah, check out Cars 3 trailer. It's coming out 2017, okay? Nice. Now, we will do it while Ethan is dancing. He will have the control. He will have the control.
Carter. Just yet.
You need to get your
I am
lip.
holding the control. And Dad here is doing it.
I need your
Putting
teeth. Your Q-tip.
dental floss, and they're having some quite technical difficulties. There's the Andrew here sleeping over.
How are you stopping me? It's distracting
Yeah,
me.
it's fine.
And then there's a wild Andrew blocking the way. Anyway,
Okay,
Yeah,
your
he-
teeth.
he's gonna give him the tooth.
Stop. I'm just gonna pull it out if you don't stop with the tooth, tongue, lip. Okay,
Okay, it's on.
it's on.
It's on now.
Who's got the power?
And I'm going to give, Dad is going to give Ethan the controller of faith.
You guys look out! Get out of the way so the queen can go.
2.
Ow! I want to do it!
Okay, stop.
There are some
Stop.
technical difficulties. Okay, we are back, and Ethan has suggested to do the door slam again instead
You have
of
to stand on the front.
remote controlliness.
So, lightning.
You
This
have to
time.
come over here. You can't see him. You can't see his face. Are you gonna record the back of his head?
And now he's going to do it in 3. I mean 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we were too close. You stand
Oh,
back.
no.
Stand on this. Stand
It
here.
didn't work. He's going to do it again in 3, 2, 1.
Did it work?
Let's see. Ah, it came off. It's still stuck to your tooth.
And it's not off.
This is so tedious.
And it's not off. So many
slamming it.
You did a
cliffhangers.
great job slamming it. Good job, pal.
So many cliffhangers.
When I slammed it? Wait, what?
And we're here.
Okay, ready?
Once again, for the third time.
Take, I think 4. Take 3. Yes, take 3. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness!
Did it get out?
You-
No!
Think it came off?
It didn't come out.
How is this? How is this possible?
Oh my goodness, guys. Here we are. Take 4. Dad is putting on the tooth. The floss, sorry. We are going to do it now in 3, 2, 1.
Ow! Oh,
That worked.
Ow!
Where'd it go?
Oh, there it is.
And it worked. Take 4.
Alright. Good job, buddy.
Yes. Yeah.
I did it!
Let's see the
Here are
hole.
the characters in this.
Let's see the hole. Show the hole to the tooth.
Scott. Scott
Show his
Johnston.
tooth. Show his tooth.
Ethan Johnston and his lost tooth.
I'm still bleeding.
Yeah, it's gonna bleed a little bit. Put that on there.
and Lenata 2.
Here, you hold your tooth.
Netta.
Oh.
You didn't pronounce your own name right.
Now, thank you for watching.
There, right there.
Like, subscribe, favorites, and any other thing you can do with YouTube. Goodbye.
Bye.